Name's Stephen B. Phillips, CEO and President of Phillips Foods and Seafood Restaurants. My grandfather on my mother's side was a Chesapeake Bay waterman, and as a young boy, even as young as 3 years old, I used to go oystering with him and fishing with him during the wintertime, and I used to go crabbing with him and fishing with him during the summertime. It was a lot going on, and I know as a young boy, the amount of seafood that we had in the Chesapeake Bay was just amazing. I never thought it would run out. I used to sit on the bow of my grandfather's boat, look down in 15, 18 foot of water, see the grasses on the bottom, the water was crystal clear. And unfortunately, we don't have that today in the bay. The crab populations, we went through a great period of decline. Hence, that's why I went to Asia 30 years ago and tried and opened in crab producing factories because I couldn't get enough in the Chesapeake Bay. But anyway, I'm happy to also report that crabs made a good comeback last year. We were up about 30%, and I'm hoping since we had a fairly warm winter that we're going to have a pretty good stock in the bay this year. Phillips and our family of employees, we take a lot of pride in the fact that we really try to promote Maryland seafood. You know, crab meat from our own factories on the Eastern Shore into our restaurants, oysters from our own factories into our restaurants, soft shell crabs from Deals Island, our factory in Deals Island, into our own restaurant. You know, really trying to really promote the high quality of Maryland seafood products.